Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a Fulbari-Dhubri bridge construction work video and it will be the longest bridge in India. Keep watching. See, there are so many big machines and there are so much raw materials for the construction of the bridge they will use, and it is the starting point of the bridge. See there, it is the main pile of the bridge. Pile means a concrete post that is driven into the ground to act as a lay support for a whole bridge. And this work started from the Bari site. This is district in Meghalaya, and it will connect Meghalaya and Assam, and it will be the longest bridge in India, and its length will be 19 kilometers something. And if you guys like this type of video, do like and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Keep watching.